Back in the 80s, I had my first jaw surgery because I had a protruding jaw. They wired my mouth. I had to be wired for like 2 months. I couldn't talk, I couldn't eat, but still my teeth did not come out perfect. I still have a big gap on my lower teeth. The problem was the oral surgeon wanted to do upper jaw and lower jaw. The orthodontist said that's too much surgery. You cannot do that. That's not possible. Orthodontist decided to take out one of my teeth to see if he could move my lower teeth more towards the back to get a better bite. But still, there's a problem with my bite. I saw an advertisement about the procedure that Dr. Muslin does. It seems like the perfect procedure for me. Otherwise, I would need more surgery, braces, a tooth implant, and it was not going to come out as perfect as what Dr. Muslin is telling me that I'm going to be getting this time. I wasn't expecting to be so happy with what I got. I'm very happy. I'm happy with the result, with Dr. Muslin, with all his assistants. They did an excellent job on my teeth, and I think I couldn't get anything better than what I got.